What's going on everyone, and welcome to part 14 of tutorial series on AWS Audio Analysis. In the previous tutorial, I have taken you through on how to query the data stored in S3 bucket using standard SQL queries via Amazon Athena service. And now in this tutorial, we are getting started with Amazon QuickSight at a high level. So if we look at the architecture diagram, then we have reached over here, that is Amazon QuickSight for visualization, correct? So what Amazon QuickSight is? So Amazon QuickSight is cloud powered business analytics service that probably makes it easy to build visualization, perform analysis and getting insights from data and so on. Correct. So it can also automatically discover AWS data sources like, for example, Redshift, Athena, S3, and it also works with external data sources like, for example, Salesforce, GitHub, Teradata, Twitter, custom CSV, JSON. Correct. So let's jump to the AWS Management Console and navigate to QuickSight. Now, if it is your first time with Amazon QuickSight, then it will ask you to sign up for the first time. So, as you can see on my screen, so I will click on sign up for QuickSight. Now, here on this screen, you need to select the edition, that is standard and enterprise. So, I'm going to select standard. You can go through the features of each edition and decide on which edition you want to go for. So I'm selecting standard and click on continue. So here you need to fill in few details. So select a region, you can select whichever region you want that is available from the drop down. I will select US North Virginia, and then you need to give QuickSight account name. So I will say ECDE, and then the notification email. So this is where all the notification regarding insights will be sent, and then we have permissions below. So we will enable this auto discovery so that it can automatically discover the data and users in Redshift, RDS and IAM service. And then below we have permissions. So here permissions means whether QuickSight should be able to access the particular service or not, correct? So in our case, we require permission to two services, that is Amazon Athena and Amazon S3, correct? Because we are going to query the S3 bucket data using Amazon Athena, and after that we also require Amazon S3 permission to access that data, correct? So we will select two here, that is Amazon Athena, correct, as well as Amazon S3. Now as soon as you click on Amazon S3, it will ask you to select the bucket. You can even select all, right? But in my case it's AWS Audio Analysis Comprehend, correct? So I will say select bucket. So now Amazon QuickSight will be able to access that particular bucket, and it will not be able to access other buckets apart from whichever I have selected, correct? So I will say finish. So these permissions you can even add it later. So it says the provided account name is not available. I think someone has picked that up. So I will say Shrag R837 maybe. I will keep these options. So this account name will ideally be used by you or others to sign in into QuickSight, correct? And I will say finish. The provided email is invalid, and why is that? Finish, and I think we are good to go. So it's creating my QuickSight account. It will take a while. So these permissions that we have given at the time of creation, also you can manage later, correct? Using QuickSight, manage QuickSight account, I believe. So we will have a look. So the account has been created. So I will say go to Amazon QuickSight. So QuickSight is quite slow for me. Now the Amazon QuickSight has been loaded. We can see a couple of analysis on my screen. The first two analysis, that is new custom SQL analysis, might not be available or visible on your screen because it is the custom analysis created by me. But apart from that, you will be able to see the analysis that are tagged with sample, tagged or labeled with sample. Correct. So these are the preloaded analysis that you can go ahead and of course explore it. Correct. Now moving along to all dashboard. So there are no preloaded dashboard over here, and then we have tutorial videos. So you can go through this couple of tutorial videos and learn more about Amazon QuickSight. Correct. Now we have new analysis option on the top left corner. Let's see. So click on it, and we have your data sets. Now again, you will not be able to see these first three options on your screen, but of course you will be able to see the data set that are tagged with Spice. So what is Spice here? Spice is Amazon QuickSight's super fast parallel in-memory calculation engine. Basically, Spice is engineered to rapidly perform advanced calculation and serve the data, and it speeds up the analytical queries that we run against our imported data. Correct. So that's Spice. So Spice capacity comes at cost, but Amazon QuickSight offer 1 GB free tier Spice capacity. But if we are going beyond 1 GB, then we have to pay some amount for the capacity. Correct. Now, if I click on new data set, so here we have a couple of data sources from where we can load our data. Correct. And we can also upload CSV or TSV or JSON file over here. Correct. Now going back, now on the top right corner we have option for manage data. It will take us to the same screen of new analysis. Correct. Now before we move on to perform analysis or do some visualization of our sentiment analysis, if you remember, then we have assigned a permission to QuickSight at the time of creation of QuickSight account, right? So we have given permission for Amazon Athena and S3 bucket, correct? Now if you want to edit or add or remove the permission from QuickSight console, then you need to click on top right corner and click on manage QuickSight, then security and permissions, and from here you can add or remove the permission, or you can also modify the permission. Correct. So this is QuickSight at high level. Now in the next tutorial we are going to prepare some visualization for our sentiment analysis. Correct. So that's it for now, and as usual, if you want me to do tutorial on any use case or service, then please leave them below and I will try my best to come up with the tutorial as soon as possible. And if you have any queries or comments, then please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.